Both Moshe and Yeshua are described as finding favor before God. Both stand between judgment and the people. Yet their roles differ in form and scope. Moshe restores the covenant relationship after idolatry. Yeshua's death and resurrection are framed as redemptive. His sacrifice brings healing to the covenant relationship. Shalom! Welcome to the Brit Hadashah Meditation Minute. We begin with the Brit Hadashah portion from Gospel of John chapter 11. Verses 47 through 57 describe a gathering of the chief priests, primarily Sadducees, and the Pharisees during Yeshua's time. They assembled to decide what to do about Yeshua, who was gaining followers and performing many signs. The high priest Caiaphas suggested that it would be better for one man to die for the nation. As verse 51 explains, he did not fully grasp that his words carried prophetic significance. Nevertheless, they reached an agreement and began making plans to put Yeshua to death. What stands out to me is Caiaphas' foreshadowing. As a Sadducee appointed by the Roman authorities, he spoke words that pointed to something far greater than he understood. Keep that in mind as we turn to the Torah portion. The Torah portion, Ki Tisa, from chapters 30 to 34 in Exodus, it recounts the sin of the golden calf and Moshe bringing the 10 commandments to Israel. Moshe had gone up Mount Sinai to meet with God. After receiving the tablets of the covenant, he returned to find the people worshiping the golden calf. His anger burned and he shattered the stone tablets. The Lord's anger also burned against the people. Yet in Exodus chapter 32 verse 14, we read that though God was ready to destroy them, Moshe interceded, reminding him of his promises to Abraham, Isaac, and Israel. And the Lord relented. In Exodus chapter 33 verse 17, the Lord responds, "This very thing that you have spoken, I will do, for you have found favor in my sight, and I know you by name." Both Moshe and Yeshua are described as finding favor before God. Both stand between judgment and the people. Yet their roles differ in form and scope. Moshe restores the covenant relationship after idolatry. Yeshua's death and resurrection are framed as redemptive. His sacrifice brings healing to the covenant relationship and points toward national deliverance, Geulah. Recall Caiaphas, a Sadducee appointed by Rome and part of a sect that did not emphasize divine providence, did not grasp the fullness of what he proclaimed. The golden calf reminds us how quickly our hearts can turn. Moshe's plea reminds us that teshuvah, return, is always possible. And Caiaphas' words remind us that God's purposes can unfold even beneath human politics. May we, like Moshe, seek favor in the sight of Hashem. May we guard our hearts against subtle idolatry, and may we follow in the ways of Messiah Yeshua, walking in faithfulness, humility, and covenant loyalty. Shavua Tov.